friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Awilda and I am so happy that you're here joining me today. So in today's video I am going to be working on my micro notes from the Happy Planner. I've had this planner for some time now, a little over a year. My husband gifted it to me and I thought I'd start using it and kind of figuring out what I wanted to do with it. So over the weekend I did play around with it and I did a monthly spread here that I'm going to be showing you. This monthly spread was super simple to make. I just used a ballpoint pen and some stickers that I had. I love how simple it looks. It's so cute. The flowers kind of add that little spring vibe to it. I did continue that with a weekly spread for this past week, the March 1st through the 7th. And I just love how simple the flowers are, and the ballpoint pen really does make it look professional. So for this week I thought I'd continue with the floral theme, and I'm going to be using my everyday memories from, of course, the Happy Planner. And I decided I was going to use the cacti that are in the pages here. I just really was drawn to them for this week. I thought they were very cute, very simple. I love how they fit the size of this planner, so that's why I used this. But you can use any sticker sheet you'd like, especially ones from the Dollar Tree because they're a little more affordable. So I really liked this past week's spread. I thought it was very cute with the flowers and how simple everything was. So I thought I'd do this week's theme or spread similar to what I did last week. I just loved how the flowers were off to the side, and I gave myself enough writing space. All I did was super simply just take a ballpoint pen and draw out the spread for the week using a horizontal spread. So I really like the way it came out, and I'm just going to continue with that with this week's spread. And then at the end of the video, I'll share with you how I write in my spread for the week, just so you guys can have an idea that you can fit some things here. You may not be able to fit every single thing you want to write down, but this is more like for a quick little reminder, or kind of like if you have something light to do for the week, this is perfect for that. Or I was also thinking of using one of my micro notes for a super cute little kind of like memory keeping, or rather kind of like I want to say bullet journaling. So yeah, so most likely I'm going to be using another one of these micro notes just to keep like memories of what I did for that day, what was my mood, what we watched on TV. So I thought that would be something fun to do with another one of these micro notes. I do follow some people on Instagram that kind of inspired me to do this. I believe one of them was Planning with Peanutty, and the other is, I believe, Kimmy Plans. I will definitely post a link to their Instagram on my description box below, so if you get a chance, definitely go over and follow them and check out what they do. It's very inspiring and fun to watch other people's micro planning, and I just really enjoy watching them, and they inspired me. So as you can see here, I just basically drew out my weekly spread just with my ballpoint pen. I wrote out the days of the week because I don't have stickers that have tiny little numbers on them, and I honestly don't mind just writing out the letters. The numbers. It's super easy. It takes 2 seconds, but if you don't like writing it out, you can definitely use stickers for that as well. Here you can see I added my little cacti. I thought they was really cute. I made sure to keep them off to the side because I want to write in the center of them. I don't want to have to write over the stickers, especially since if you're using these types of markers, they really don't write over stickers, and I really don't want to ruin the stickers. I want them to look really cute. So that is perfect to display a little bit of color, a little bit of fun with these stickers. And as you can see here, I have plenty of space to write out what I want to plan for this week using the micro notes here. This is a cute and fun way to kind of change up your weekly routine with your planners. And you can also carry this tiny little thing in your purse, and it fits almost anywhere. Leave it on your desk at home and just glance at it whenever you need to look at your week. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please make sure to leave me a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe so that you can be here for when I upload new videos every week. I share motivational videos for cleaning, DIYs, and of course planner related videos. So until next time, guys, I hope you all have a great day, and I shall see you all on the next video. Bye.